It's your friend Jackson and Draco. Today we are opening our Incineroar GX.
Oh, and make sure to put the thumbs up, hit the bell, and
subscribe on the bottom. And hit a thumbs up for
if you don't do that, that's fine with us.
my grandma and my papa. Pow!
Shout out to Grandma and Papa for giving us stuff. Right, we got 3 hollow cards. We got 6 packs. It comes with a coin and a pin.
And let's get into this. Yeah. And that's good.
You need help, bro?
No, I don't. Yeah, I need help.
Big bro.
Take this thing out. Get angry at it. You know when you're angry, you get so mad.
Okay.
That goes in our package.
Guys, this is getting...
I broke it. Ooh. Oh yeah. That was hard. I can do this. Big bro, you're too strong. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, big bro.
There we go. Just in the dark after all of that. Finally got it out.
So we got a jumbo card.
Comes with a jumbo card. If you want to look at it.
Whoa, ooh, that's crazy. Ooh, man. Cuckoo crazy, right?
Oof. Right here.
So we have
Incineroar
GX.
And it Hustling Strike. This attack does 20 more damage for each of your fire.
And it does 200 and it burns them, and on burn it does 20 damage for each turn of each.
Tiger Swing. Flip 2 coins. This attack does 50 more damage for each head. I really wanted to open this because I have a fire deck which needs a good attacker. So I didn't have any, so I wanted to get this. That's why I opened it.
And the pin looks like so cool because he's like ready to attack, and the coin he's like roaring.
Oh, and the packs that we have is Evolution. We have Sun and Moon Guardian Rising.
Sun and Moon Guardian Rising.
A Sun and Moon pack. A Steam Siege. XY Breakthrough. And Evolutions XY.
And let's get into this.
We are getting into a XY Evolutions, and we probably want a Charizard EX
or a Venusaur EX or a Blastoise EX.
Let's start a Pokemon. Let's get in.
No card tricks.
Okay. So we got a Ponyta. We got a Dowsy, Electrobuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Staryu, Electrode, Venusaur Spirit Link, Trainer, and a Metapod.
Next one, boys. Boys and girls.
I don't really know much about the Spirit Link, guys. It's kind of a weird trainer.
We got a Tangela. We got a
Put it right on top. Kragunk, Liquid. Hopia. Fungus. And Bastodon. Plain. And Captivating Pokécut. Skip Bloom.
You go, yeah. I'm taking
My turn.
I draw for my turn. What? 2. That's what I'm talking about, actually.
I will actually. Card trick.
No card tricks on the old pack. Burning!
We got a special fire energy. I need that for my fire deck. We got a floaty.
You know how
we got a pillow swine. Axe you. I want to X you something. Remorid. Pikachu, where's my way? Hoop. Remoraid. Town map. And forage. We need this.
So we got a Lily, we got a Metapod,
we got a Granbull, we got a Poplio, Stuffo, Wingo, Dratini, Lipup, Marini, and Sidekick.
Let's get into this one. 4. 1, 2, 3. So we got a Fairy Energy. How is Fairy Energy in there? We got a
Mola. We got a
Beware of the Bear.
Brooklet Hill.
We need for the water.
Alolan Sandshrew. Stuffle. Tentacool. Helioptile. Gothita.
Garbage. Garbage. Oopsies. We got a Water Energy. We got a
Altar of the Moon. We got a Hakamo, Gilsor, Shrubbish, Mudshot, Musselo, Rocky Ruff, Eldum, Whirl, Daniel. Tapu Lele GX! Ned!
Oh yeah. Bye everybody.
Bye everybody. These are the good cards that we wanted. What? Oh, these are the good cards that we wanted to pull. We got Incineroar GX, which we wanted. Tapu Lele for another deck, whatever. Brooklet Hill for our first only water stadium. We're gonna put this in our water deck. Our water deck has no stadiums, and exactly what I wanted. I was like, man, I should have got this first. Then we got a town map. which my dad has it online. That's all today, guys.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna do a second video today, so stay tuned. Thanks
Hit
for
the
watching
thumbs
this
up.
awesome, amazing video about us. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, brother.
Bye, brother. You know how I knew this was a GX? Because I looked at it, and then I saw one of these. That's how I know that's a GX. I was like looking at the bottom. And I was like,
Bye, guys.
we got two
Never,
GX.
never seen you.
That was good.
How good.
Very
Bye-bye.
good.
Oh, leave the comments below. Thumbs up. Hit the bell. Don't do all that. That's down with us. If you don't leave a comment below, that means you didn't watch us. Leave a comment below.
Please leave a comment below. Wow.